So we're going to go ahead with our chicken patties. For the filling, we have steamed chicken breast boneless. For your dry seasonings, we have coriander, cayenne pepper, and smoked chili pepper. For your greens, you have onion, culantro, cilantro, basil, garlic, ginger, and I have frozen vegetables. If you don't want to use frozen vegetables, you could go ahead and use your fresh vegetables of your choice. And here goes my handy machine of the pie maker. So here I went ahead and put my chicken in my food processor. You can shred it, hand shred it, or chop it up. Either way, it's fine to your liking. I just like how the food processor makes the chicken. In a hot skillet pan, we're going to go ahead and saute our onions, basil, cilantro, culantro, garlic, and ginger. Once your seasoning is all mixed up, you want to go ahead and with your vegetables. After about 5 minutes of your vegetables and seasoning sauteing, you want to go ahead and put in your ground chicken. And have it saute maybe about a good 5 minutes. It's not a lot that I'm making, so 5 minutes will do just right. At this time, you want to go ahead in with your dry seasoning, saute about 5 minutes, and if you find your mixture is a bit dry, you want to go in with about 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil. So as used in my prior video, I have the ready-made pie crust, and I am now forming out my circles for my chicken patties, and once I have them in the machine, I'll go ahead and stuff them, and I'll show you my final product. And you want to make sure you fill your cup really, really well, because if not, then the filling becomes very loose in your cup while cooking. So here I'm using a ice cream scooper to go ahead and fill my pie cups, and it will make your pie cups very full, and that will be great. So let's go ahead and fill the rest of it, and I'll show you the final product. Okay, so here we are, the final product. What we're looking for is for a nice golden color on your chicken patties. So I'm going to take them out, and then we'll see what it looks like. So here we have the final product of the chicken patties. And I have went ahead and I cut one open. And as you can see, the dough is very flaky. The stuffing is not dry, it's very moist. Okay, so now we have Sasha. She's going to go ahead and try these chicken patties. Let's see.
Yummy.